Hey, all you beautiful folks out there. So just a quick word of encouragement. This morning, I knew that I was going with my sister and my niece, which is really my best friend, and her daughter, which is my absolute tribe, my sister and my niece, to Nashville for my niece's doctor's appointment, right? So I knew that there was not going to be another time today for me to get CrossFit in. But I also knew the workout that was on the board was one that I was scared of because it was a lot and because it was one that I needed to figure out what my baseline was on, right? So those are the days I want to make sure I get the workout in. And so the issue of needing to go to Nashville and having to be ready by 7:30 was a little bit of a problem, but the solution was to get up at 5 a.m., go do CrossFit, get back, wake my kids up, be ready for school, be ready to pack and go. But voila, there we got our solution, right? So I walk in the door and the workout is dumbbell snatches and burpee box jump overs, okay? And it's a lot of them. A lot, okay? And so I haven't quite gotten to box jump overs yet. It seems like about 17 inches is mentally easier for me than the mental work needed for a 20-inch box, which can destroy my shins if I don't hit them right? And so, of course, I still use my plates stacked up to get me at about 15 to 17 inches. So I got my dumbbell. I had a choice, of course, what RX or what the standard calls for is much more than I can actually do snatches on. So I got me a 15 pound and a 20 pound out. And I decided that if I hit a point where I could not do that 20 anymore, then I'd use the 15. So I got everything set up, got there early this morning, needed to roll out my back, had a little bit of a little twinge in my back from deadlifting yesterday, got rid of that. Was warming up on snatches and I got my right arm warm and I went to grab that 20-pound dumbbell and do my left arm, and do you know what I did? I grabbed it and I snatched it right into my face. I mean, literally right into my face. So much though that I broke my glasses. Now, here I am. Sorry, I'm still shaky. Here I am doing a workout that I'm scared of at 5 o'clock in the morning, knowing I've got to get back, get the kids ready, doing the box jump overs, using the most I can do on the weights, and now my glasses are broken down. If you wear glasses, you know that a workout is tough with the glasses on, but jumping onto about 1.5 foot plate with both feet after coming up out of a burpee, you need to be able to see, don't you? And so our Coach Randy, he said, you guys have about 5 minutes, get everything ready, be ready to go for this workout. So for the next 3 minutes, I thought, literally I'm pacing back and forth, like, okay, maybe I'll take that 5th plate off because that'll bring that height down some and I'll know where my body is in the air and I won't have an extra 3 or 4 inches to jump and that'll make this workout doable. About 3 minutes in, I'm literally like, what am I going to do? I'm thinking about how am I going to do this workout I'm afraid of if I can't see. Now I've got this added pressure. I'm thinking, how am I going to do these jumps? And one of the other members of CrossFit Cathal says, why don't you tape it? And I'm like, oh my God. Yes, Randy, do you have any tape? So, I just want to point out how stylish these are. I mean, that is hot. I thought about adding some over here on the right side so that it at least be even and my little undiagnosed OCD can handle it. Here's my point. I did that workout. And I didn't just complete the workout. I busted my tail in. And do you know what I realized when I hit that floor and proceeded to stay there for the next 5 minutes after the workout was over? I was so focused on the problem that I was completely blind to the solution. The problem was not the box. It was never the box. The problem was that I couldn't see it. So the solution would not be to change the box to make it easier. The solution was to get my sight back, to change my view of the problem. No matter what you're facing today, no matter what scares the living crap out of you, no matter what pops up or whatever you pop yourself with in this day, careful not to get so obsessed with the problem that your sight misses the solution. Shout out to the young lady, the strong athlete in the box this morning that reminded me of my solution and didn't let me get stuck on the problem. Today, problems are solvable. Your view is focused on the solution. I love you guys. Rock out your day. Yeah. Word.